Sabi ko, react naman ng princess.
We went to Baguio to buy strawberries cheesecake from Bigor. Ate Aya, makita mo yung
So good that I finish it bone to bone.
What food is the best? Sorry? What food is the best? Food? Yeah.
Running fever in this very small cage. Very small cage.
They're gonna perform outside.
wow. Love surprises.
Ubus na ubus ng English.
So amazing! The pigeons is flying like this?
Pero kumakanta sa gilid, so kailangan mas magaling kami sa kanya.
One we discovered here in LA, so let's go. Kakapala ko na yung mukha ko. I'm not Sheena. I'm not Sheena today. I am Shadow.